All right, guys, this is Trader C Brown, and we are on the week 48. And I want to thank you for joining us today. I believe you all have been doing great and also smashing the market as we have been doing for the past weeks. So, this is GBP USD forecast for the week 47. And we want to look at what the market holds for us on GU and Euro USD. Now, remember, towards the end of this video, we're going to be doing a YouTube comment peek on the video of last week, which is the video of week 46. We're going to be doing a random peek, and the winner will be given a free offer, which is a giveaway to be in the mentorship for 1 year for free. So I'm going to mentor you, give you my course, and you will learn how to trade for free. And hopefully you'll be the one that will be picked. All right, it's time to give back. All right, then let's look at the pair in front of us, the GBP USD, and we want to look at what the market holds for us. This is the monthly time frame. And remember, this candle has been bullish since the beginning of the month. We have 11 days to the close of this month. What miracle could we expect from this particular candle? Is it going to close above, or is it going to smash all the way down to close bearish? We are not sure yet, but looking at the monthly time frame, overall, we can tell that the market is still bearish based on the fact that this is an impulsive drop, okay, that led to that particular retracement there at that level, and then we can tell that the market would like to retrace back down. But this candle is changing the narrative. So we want to watch what happened. Will it close below 38 or close above 38 for the month? So we have 11 days to go. Or will it close back into 50 or push up to 50% and reject and conclude in a bullish candle? What would that lead us in the future to trade with? Is it going to be like a push back up? Is the market going to all of a sudden change a direction and start heading up like this, or what? We are not sure about that yet, so we're watching. But I feel that this candle, not what I feel, I'm looking at data, I'm looking at statistics, I'm looking at what the market has been doing based on back testing. I can tell that this candle here, two things may happen. Either it smash all the way down again or close bullish to give us a form of consolidation at that level before thinking whether to go up or go down. Remember, the December is coming where the market may be slowing down, and especially starting from November 26 up to December ending, we might have a slow market movement. So this might lead to some kind of consolidation on GBP USD at the timing go, but let's hope what the market does. So let's go back to let's look down to the weekly time frame and see exactly what we are observing on the weekly. Now on the weekly, the market stopped pushing down, and then we can see a rally up on the weekly. What is that supposed to be like? Because we can see that on the weekly, the market gave several market structures. So let me just delete that feed for a moment. And you can see that the market gave us different structure to the upside. Okay, we can see this structure to the upside. And now we saw also a smaller structure that was broken. And then the market rejected at that level, pull back. So there's two things involved on looking at the weekly. It could possibly be that the market again want to get involved with that consolidation phase, because this is the previous major structural low that we could have looked at, but there was a structural low here that got broken. So if I look at that structural low that got broken, which is a minor structural low here, because if you look at this overall drop, you will still be thinking, yes, it is still a downtrend overall. But looking at this pullback up, we can tell that the market is about to change direction to the upside. on the weekly. So the best thing to note is, first of all, is this structure level where price reacted on. This multiple reaction level. Where was that? We can tell that price was struggling to break this level, which is 1.20,000 around that level. So we see structure on psychological level there. And also we have another structural level here that reacted strongly to the market, which is at 1.22. So we have 1.22 right here, and price has been struggling there for a while. This is weekly time frame. So now we have price pushing higher. Now we have 24, price just break above 2,400. So if price just break above 2,400, then we have a lot of thoughts. This is above 2,400. So price broke above 2,400 and close above 2,400. That means we are heading to 25, which price already tapped into 26, maybe the next. But now price closed above it. We should look for a continuation on that. So what this means is we are beginning to look at bullish momentum to the upside on GU, okay, on the weekly. So I'm looking at this structure, which is 26, or we can look at 27 right here, 27, around 27 region. So we can look at price coming there to give us opportunity to get into the market. But nevertheless, that may not be one of the major area of interest at the moment. The price could, another candle could open and come down if it wants to, but at the moment, a little bit built up on consolidation and price just decide to go up. So what is leading to this? The first thing is to look at this overall move to the upside and then see why price created this. So let's go to the daily to understand this. Now on the daily, we can say as a day trader, we're looking at the bullish momentum, and the daily already proves that. Of course, a little consolidation here and try to pull back after breaking this high, but we see that price is retracing back up again by being bullish. Of course, it's been bullish. So like I said, price reacted as 2,400, as you can see. So now the next zone the price may be thinking of getting to is 2,600, which I presumably presume that it's going to hit this week. So we're looking at around 2,600. So if you check where prices are and to that level, that's about 140 pips. And price could give us more than that. We could be targeting price coming up to 127, 128 at most. But looking at that, let's say we're looking at 128 region. Okay, which is where we have major liquidity pool there, 128 region. Then we could be anticipating, because of this whole momentum to the downside, so we could be anticipating price going to 128. But if price closed below 24 again, below 2,400 around this level, then we should be looking for reversal. That means the market is going to sell. So on the 4-hour time frame, I'm just going to stick to what, based on my trading strategy, I'm going to look at what the market has given me. Okay, the first thing is we have this break to the high side. This high is still being maintained. We still maintain this previous range high. So the high is still being maintained. And also we have this low being maintained as well, which gives us our trading range of this range to this level, which is okay. Okay. Now, I already told you that we have a strong follow through to the upside, which is still being maintained. So we are not changing that at the moment. The market is still very bullish on the 4-hour time frame. So we can see that we're able to buy several times, 2 times on the premier level, not even a discount, because of the strong momentum. So with that, we can see there's more buy. So the market may still push up higher. But at the moment, if there is any sense of retracement into this level again, maybe market open up and a candle pull back, we should be looking for more buys, and until this high is breached. So at the moment, this is what I'm looking at on Euro, on GU. I'm still looking for more buys at this region. So it's a very straightforward analysis. There's nothing to really crack your heads over, because we know that either price come down or it keep going up. If it keep going up, we need to just wait and let it take out the high before we can wait for retracement. If it doesn't take out this high, we will know. How would you know? That's why you have to follow us on our trading lab. Daily, we're sending analysis and trade setup that we are taking. The link is in the description of this video. I keep telling guys, if you have a funded account or you bought a challenge account and you want to get funded also, you can contact us, join the group, and we'll get you funded. We'll pass your challenge for you. And also, in addition to that, you can start trading and making money by following our daily trade signals and analysis that we send to Trading Lab. The link is in the description below. Okay, so use that. I'll tell you what, whether the market is going to go up there and reject, we will know during the week, and then we'll know how to trade it. But at the moment, the market is bullish, and that's what I have to tell you on GU, because we're buying. We bought this and we bought this. So of course, the buy that we had on Friday was a bit short before I have to close early. I closed the market early because it's Friday anyways. So, but throughout the week, we're able to buy on Thursday, okay, and then on a Friday a little bit we're able to buy. So we have two major trade last week. And also I sold here. Remember I told you about selling. We sold here massively. I sold this drop before with this buy. So it was a smart move. And this happened on Wednesday or so. I was able to sell that market right there, and we had a big drop on that too. So this is what I'm looking at on GU, and let me quickly switch to Euro USD. Now on Euro USD, it's an interesting trade. Did an analysis, and it played out beautifully, as you can see. But I'm gonna just quickly talk it over. Now, this trade, okay, I didn't personally take it. I didn't personally take this trade because otherwise I would have been taken out if my stop loss was there anyways. Because the challenge was to see price break above and retest, which it did, and then eventually rally up. But there was a drop. You see, the market really was consolidating over time, and there was a drop, and that Friday, and all the way down, and that was 6 o'clock though. So wanted to wait for price to push above it, which it did on this candle again, which is around 10 o'clock in the morning. So this would have been the setup, although I didn't take the trade because I know I did an analysis on it, but this would have been the beautiful trade on that particular trade, because we can see how price break above and retested right on the consolidation of the week, and then price went back up. But let me just show you exactly what I'm looking at on the top down analysis of this. This is the 4-hour time frame. Now on the 4-hour time frame, looking at the picture, let's first of all see what the daily is saying. We are bullish, definitely. Euro USD is strongly bullish, as you can see, and also we can see on the weekly time frame, the downtrend is over and is back on. So we can see also on the monthly time frame, they are headed for this liquidity pool over there. So we can tell that the market consolidation and is heading to break that high. So this month might close bullish on Euro USD, just like GU is trying to do. But we can tell that Euro USD is obviously bullish, strongly bullish compared to the other pairs that we're looking at. So we can see that price smash all the way up, consolidated, and buy. So this was a previous structure, and then it gave us this previous high in the market. This was the previous high in the market. Okay, now that previous high was breached. And now, excuse me, that previous high was breached, and now we have this new high. Okay, and then we have a new structure low. So now this low is not changing to be here. And that is the beauty of this strategy. Now we can see that the market has shifted and giving us a smaller range. But again, if you check the high that took this high out, which is this one here, this is the high that breached it. Okay, literally we can say that this is unconfirmed at the moment. Unconfirmed follow through. We need to know what is going on with Euro USD, but it's bullish. Okay, it's bullish. Another candle may push higher, which I'm going to let you, which might happen. So we need to wait another 4-hour candle. That means by tomorrow, 6 o'clock in the morning, or even before then, when the market open up by 4 o'clock in the night, we should have seen the market move, break, close, whether bearish or whatever. Then we'll have a confirmation on that. And again, that is why you have to follow us through on the trading lab so that you get updates. But already the market is bullish. So if you want to trade Euro USD, is a buy market. But if you want to follow the daily trades analysis and setup, then join the trading lab, which will help you to catch the moves that we're looking at. Okay, so that's my take on Euro USD at the moment. Not much to really look at, because the market is obviously giving itself away for us to know that it is a bullish market, and we're looking into that. Now, fundamentals quickly before we round it up. Now, I have right here British pounds on that, and we can see that based on the COT data, USD is still very strong. So we have a lot of buys on USD and a lot of shorts on GBP. So that means we should be having, although there's a little bit of consolidation indecisions in the retail sentiment, but the buyers can tell that the gold, USD is still very strong. So we might be seeing much of the upside in November, which obviously in the seasonality reveal itself here, that we will see a little bit like a 0.35% push to the upside and on the month of November, which obviously we can see that happening already. Okay, so that's for that. So that confirms the whole thing, that we should be looking more on the bullish. As you can see, it's been bullish already, and the market is trading right above the average. So let's look at Euro USD. On the Euro USD, we can see that again the market is joining the trail, but not much of expectation, because we can see that there's a lot of struggle that might go on this week, because a lot of buyers are coming in on the COT data. They are coming into Euro, and they are competing with the USD. So that might be a lot of interest to pay attention to. According to the seasonality, Euro USD was supposed to be dropping for about 0.4%, but at the moment it's still pushing up, because GU wants to also push up, and both of them trade in correlation in such a way. So that's what I think. And let's look at the fundamental news. Maybe we want to look at forex factory. So we look at Forest Factory to see any report that might be coming this week, as the calendar shows. We look at the calendar this week, 19. It's a lot coming in. So let's look at it day by day. And on the 20th tomorrow, we have GBP having a news, and it's coming up by 6 p.m., which is fine. But probably by then I'm out of the market. And on the on Tuesday, which on the 21st, we have a lot of Canada news, CPI coming in Canada. Those who trade Canada pairs, watch out for that. And also then 6 p.m., 7 p.m., we have USD FOMC, which is obviously another mind-blowing report. Get ready for that. And on Wednesday, we have a few things there. Not too much to worry, but unemployment claims is coming at 1:30, which is also a major report, and then 3 p.m. So there's going to be market turbulence on Wednesday, so be careful. Then on Thursday, obviously, those of us that trade Euro USD and Euro, the market is going to be full of reports starting from 8:15 a.m. until 9:30 a.m. Okay, there's so much news coming in this week, reports coming in. So ensure on Friday as well, we have PMI, which is also another powerful news coming in on Friday, 2:45. So it's a whole lot going on, and pay attention to these reports, and I'll show you trade safe. Okay, let's do the random pick quickly, and then we'll close this chapter. And I'm gonna take the link of the video, and I'm gonna just pick it right there, and I'm gonna come to the random picker, and I'm gonna paste the link. I'm gonna feed a comment from same user. In other words, no multiple comments. Okay, and we're going to select, this is the video we're looking at, week 46, and this is the video we are doing a giveaway on, and I want to fetch the comments. The comment is 17, not too much, so I want to encourage you to participate if you want to win this opportunity of giveaway to be a mentee under us. So let's find the winner. Ready? 1 to go. Okay, now let's scroll down to the unveil. Loved Chisa. Loved Chisa, congratulations, you won. You won our giveaway to be one of our students for another 1 year for free. Awesome. Well, I didn't think you planned to get it. So if you're already a trader and you don't think you need this offer, also let us know and we will not bother you. But for those of you waiting to win this, I want to expect that you participate on this particular video, this video that we just did on this week, the forecast for week 47. Ensure you participate, and you might be qualified to win. So I encourage you to do so. All right, guys, thank you so much. We are done analyzing and talking about this, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, bye for now.